ladies! Okay, so this is my first official video doing ovulation tests as we are TTCing in 2019, and if you guys have missed my last video, please go back and watch it. But yes, we are officially TTCing our third and final baby. Now, I've been trying out these ovulation tests over the past couple of days because I'm literally due to ovulate in the next 2 days or so, but I'm not getting good lines on these. I will show you what they look like. They are by a company called Canon. Don't know if you guys have heard of it. But I'm literally getting like non-existent lines, and with a lot of the tests that I was taking before, like the other branded ones, they were actually giving me something, like not just like a blank bit on the test strip. So we're going to dip for a few seconds. Now the only problem with these is if you don't have a cup to pee in, you can't just pee straight onto the stick, and I know you guys have tried it before, so don't even lie to me, but we've all been there trying to like pee on like this much of the stick and getting it everywhere. But these ones, it seems to have like some weird plastic thing at the front, so you can't do that. Right, the ink is running across. Is there a second line coming up there already? I haven't really had any good lines on these so far. Okay, that line is literally taking forever to come up, so I'm going to test with a digital. I have one stick left and it's out of date by about 2 years. Do you reckon that matters? No, I don't think so. But we are going to test anyway. So yesterday I did just like the first test for this stick, because if you guys have remembered from my last videos, when using a digital, it takes like a baseline of what your LH is. So, oh, I couldn't get the lid off. Sorry, that's a bit of an orgasmic noise. So when you first put the stick in, it will come up with like a little flashy symbol, just to say that it's like a new cycle started. So I tested yesterday to get my baseline. So if I test today and it's a flashing, that means it's detected like a slight raise in my LH surge, and I will potentially ovulate soon. So I'm just going to pop it in like this. So as you can see, the little symbols there ready for the wee. Okay, so that will do there. I'm just going to lay it flat. Here's the test here. Oh, look at that focus. Girl, we are doing well with this camera. So yeah, literally barely a line. And because we are super disgusting, this is yesterday's one that I've just fished out the bin. You see there's like, you see there, there's like nothing on it. It's just blank, pretty much. Hi, Jazzy. Gosh, you're getting fat. Say hi. It's my British Blue. She's a tricolour British Blue. You can see the colours on her back. Right, I'm going to leave this for a little bit, guys, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been a few minutes, but before I have a look at the test, I have got a picture for you guys to see. So this is my app that I use. It's called Flow, and it says that I'm due to ovulate on the 18th, and today is the 16th of January, and depending on what day I put this up, you may actually see it on the 18th, but we have been doing the deed every single day. I'll show you. So as you can see, all the hearts there are the recordings of when we had sex, and I got the sperms. And someone actually messaged me and said, we did the egg meets sperm thing, and I was like, oh, I didn't know that was like a thing to try. So I googled it, and it said to start having sex on like cycle day 8 and just keep going every other day, but we've been doing it every day, so I'm hoping that maybe we can sway towards a girl slightly more, because apparently if you do it more often it reduces the boy's sperm. I don't really know, but we're trying all different things to sway for a girl this month and the subsequent months if we don't get pregnant. Right, let's have a little look. It's a flashing smiley! I haven't seen one of these in ages. It caught me off guard. I'll try and replay my surprise right here. It's a flashing smiley! It's a flashing smiley! Oh my god! What a genuine reaction. That was so funny. There she is, look. Yay! It's really funny, I haven't had one of these in ages because I'm normally just using like the cheapies. So, oh wow, so yeah, these cheapies here are not very good at all, but the lines are getting darker now. The ink, there's like no ink in these tests. They are 2 years old, but you can see that there's 2 lines there and they are very similar darkness. I will just show you. Can you see that? That is amazing. This is why I love these tests so much, because the cheapie one is just giving me the cruddiest lines ever. Look at that, that's like barely there, right? So if you don't follow me on my Insta, I will put my little link here. Please go and follow me on there. We're nearly at 1,000, which is amazing, like whoever thought, right? I do a lot of updates on there about like my pregnancy test and ovulation test, so please go and follow me on there. I'm going to be currently, but yeah, please go and follow me on there. Subscribe to me for free and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies!